back to my little kitchen in Lecce in the south of Italy. My name's Francesco, and today I'm going to make a risotto using artichokes with tomato and peas. That's not a traditional recipe, but let's face it, any traditional recipe out there with a famous name, there are going to be a million other versions of it on the internet or in books, and as far as I'm concerned, those recipes, everyone knows them by now. I'm more interested in family recipes, and family recipes are made by people who do their own thing. I'm going to do my own thing today. I'm going to add the tomato for colour and a touch of acidity. The peas go really well with artichoke, especially with mint, which I'm going to add. I'm going to use some shallot and Parmesan cheese, and I'm going to both start the risotto cooking and finish it, do the part that we call mantecare, which is the making creamy of the risotto by adding a cheese. I'm going to use Parmesan and some kind of fat. I'm not going to use butter, I'm going to use olive oil. So it's going to be a good, healthy dish. It's going to have great seasonal flavours, and I hope you enjoy it. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, click on the link down below and follow me for more. Let's cook. For today's recipe, you are going to need artichoke, a good risotto rice. This one is called vialone nano. You could also use arborio or carnaroli, peas, grated parmesan, passata, fresh mint, shallot, and some vegetable stock.